Alright, if your designs look good, but not consistent, yeah, that's a branding problem. In this full guide, I'll show you how to create clean, consistent branding using Canva, so everything you make actually feels like it belongs together. First, you need your basics. Pick your brand colors, fonts, and overall style. Keep it simple, like 2 to 3 colors and 1 or 2 fonts. That's it. Now, inside Canva, go to the brand section and set up your brand kit. This is where you save your colors, fonts, and logos for easy access. If you have a logo or brand assets, upload them to Canva. This keeps everything in one place and ready to use anytime. Here's where things get powerful. Create a base design template. This could be for Instagram posts, flyers, or whatever you make often. Use the same fonts, colors, and layout across your designs. Don't keep changing styles every time. This is what builds recognition. Quick tip: use the copy style tool to apply the same look to different elements. It saves time and keeps everything consistent. Even if your content changes, try to keep the structure similar, like where the title goes, where the image sits. This creates a strong visual identity. Before you publish anything, just take a quick look. Does it match your brand colors, fonts, style? If yes, you're good. Finally, save your designs as templates so you can reuse them again and again. This keeps your workflow fast and consistent. And yeah, that's how you create consistent branding in Canva. It's not about making everything fancy. It's about making everything feel connected. Stick to your style, and your brand will stand out.